Pretoria High Court has granted an interim order to the Democratic Alliance, setting aside the removal of the Tshwane Mayor and Speaker. The judge found that pending the finalisation of several applications before it, all resolutions passed by the Tshwane Council yesterday at a special council meeting were suspended and of no effect. Our reporter Sipho Stuurman joins us now from our Pretoria studios. So this decision coming through earlier on, Sipho, what has been reaction from both sides?
Well, the DA in Tshwane, or rather in Gauteng in general, is claiming a victory, saying that they were correct, calling the proceedings yesterday as illegal, saying that it was irregular, the manner that the acting speaker, that is the EFF's Obakeng Ramabudu, was appointed yesterday. They said that process was illegal because what had happened is that the speaker, that is Katlego Matebe, had to recuse herself because there was a motion of no confidence against her, and subsequently then there was then a person by the name of Uzweli Mkhize, who was appointed by council to act as a deputy speaker in the absence of the council speaker. But of course we know that the Municipalities Act does not give provision for the appointment of a deputy speaker. So this person, that is Uzweli Mkhize, was appointed by a council resolution in 2017 that they should act in case that the permanent speaker is not available to do so. But then when this person was called up, the EFF and ANC said, alleged that this person was reeking of alcohol and would not be able to preside over council. That is when then Gauteng Kokta took over the meeting and then appointed an acting speaker in the form of the EFF, Obakeng Ramabudu. But then the DA then said that entire process involving that is a Kokta in the process of Tshwane Council was an illegal act, and then they went to court to challenge this. Now, what has subsequently happened in court, as we understand it today, is that when they saw that interim order, both parties that were involved, the ANC and EFF, did not challenge the interim order, saying that they did not have enough time to prepare for arguments. Then the judge then subsequently said, all right, in the meantime, they will grant the interim order to give all the parties concerned enough time to prepare for arguments, and this matter will be heard on the 17th of December here by the Pretoria High Court.
Sipho, you obviously were at that very dramatic council meeting throughout the whole of yesterday, and the EFF and the ANC had maintained that they are applying council rules and orders. At that time, were they pointing to any particular rules and orders that would justify the procedure that they followed?
Well, the main argument with this person that was appointed to take over, that is this Uzweli Mkhize person, is that they allege the person was drunk and was not in a position to run a council. So they then called on Kokta to assist appointing a speaker, and they believe that process, that is the EFF and ANC, was the correct and legal one. Now, it's very important to also state that as much as this interim order has been granted in favor of the DA, there were no arguments against this interim order today from the ANC and EFF, rather opting for more time so that they can argue this matter in front of the court on the 17th of December, where they would then prepare full arguments in terms of defending their decision. So all of this, this is an interim decision by the court, and yes, the DA is claiming victory because, of course, subsequently this means that Stevens Mokhalapa and the speaker are reinstated in the meantime. But the parties that are concerned, they're saying, well, we didn't fight this interim order. All we said is that it's fine. We will argue on the 17th of December as to why we believe that the decisions that were taken are valid and are legal and will stand scrutiny in a court of law.
Sipho, just quick, one last question. We will speak to the DA, hopefully, about this. But to your understanding, does that mean that Stevens Mokhalapa and the Speaker are back in their positions and could possibly be back in office?
Well, the court order, the interim court order states that the appointment of the interim, that is the acting speaker of the EFF, should be set aside. So meaning that all the subsequent decisions that were taken following that appointment of the speaker are then suspended. So if those decisions, that is the motion of no confidence against Mokgalapa and the motion of no confidence against the speaker, they are suspended, meaning that in the interim, they are back in the seat, that Mokgalapa is the executive mayor of Tshwane, and that Katlego Mateba is the speaker of the Tshwane Council, pending the court finalization of this matter. And this matter, of course, will be fully ventilated in court on the 17th of December.
Thank you very much. Sipho Stuurman, SABC reporter, on that very important matter. Breaking news that we'll be giving you more detail on Judge Tshwane ruling earlier on, and the DA saying they're victorious, that Stevens Mokgalapa and Katlego Mateba are going nowhere. More details to follow. Don't go away.